means I put a plants to make it much nicer to look. It's not yet changed some of the pot because I need to buy in City Hardware. So now I just mop again. As you can see, there is still mark. I need to clean and clean and clean. Today I just first mop. Maybe I will done 3 times or 4 times before you can see that it was clean. And this wood, maybe buy this one to put in this one. Yeah. It's like much nicer if you have something between the floor and the wall. You just paint that one with varnish and let it dry. And maybe Tuesday or Wednesday we will be sleeping in the room, in this room. We stop first of doing working because of our budget is finished and we need to wait for 2 weeks again. So for today, thank you for watching. The nicest in here you can see isang balikang in the gate. Mostly these plants was been given by friends in the school, in our neighborhood. Thank you guys.